Okay students, so today this is your chapter 1 recapitulation. सेफ सेंस स्पेस का recap करवा रही हूँ, right? So उसी का आपका first क्या exercise है, circle the biggest object in each row. In each row we have to circle which is biggest in size. So biggest है उसको हमें circle करना है. So we will see first one. So here your ball A. Just I am giving you the numbering A, B and C. Now among these three you can see that the ball B is the biggest. This one is the biggest in the size. So we have to circle that B object, B ball, right? Now if we will see next one, here different hat given. So A hat, B and C. Now among these three hats we can easily see that this one is the biggest hat in all. ये सबसे बड़ा है size के अंदर, है ना? Yes or no? Okay. Now we will see here three books given: book A, book B and the book C. Now among these three we have to circle that book which is biggest in a size. So you can easily clearly see that book A is the biggest in a size, right? So we have to circle that book. Clear everyone? Now fans given. So here 1, A, B and C, three fans were there. Among these three we have to circle that fan which is big in a size. So you can easily see, clearly see, this fan is the biggest in a size, right? So we have to put the circle on the C fan. Everyone clearly understood? Biggest. Now students, next one given that tick the biggest one objects. यानी आप देख सकते हो here the bunch of balloons given, puppy were there, a dog were there and an elephant were there. Now among these three we have to tick which is biggest, यानी size में जो सबसे बड़ा है वैसे objects को हमें tick करना है. So you can easily see students that which one is, you can see elephant is the biggest, right? So we have to tick the elephant as we get elephant is the biggest one object compared to the bunch of balloons and her puppy. Is that clear? Okay. Then students, next one, tick the smallest objects. Now what we have to do? Tick the smallest one object. So students, here I am showing the numbering. Here number 1 sun, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Total 7 suns were there and different size given, right, of all the suns, or you can say the flower like, it's look like a flower, right? So now we have to find out that which one is the smallest, यानी जो size में सबसे छोटा है. Here you can see clearly this one, sixth one is the smallest. वो सबसे छोटा है ना size में, right? So sixth one is the smallest objects among these all. Is that clear to everyone? Okay. Now students, so we have to tick the sixth one. Now here tick the biggest one objects. Here the different emojis given. We have to find out the objects which is biggest in a size. So here I am showing you number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now among 9 these emojis we have to find out, we have to take which is biggest, which is big in a size. So you can easily see which emoji is the biggest. This one number 8 one है ना, ये वाली सबसे big है in a size. So that means we have to tick the that emojis. Is that clear everyone? Concept of biggest and smallest. Now your next topic is near and far, or you can say nearer and farther, or nearest and the farthest. So while we are comparing the two objects at that time, we will use nearer and the farther, right? So here students, you can see in this first picture, this one is your first picture. Here a man standing over here and car number 1 and car number 2. We are having two cars, right, in the pictures. Now we have to circle the car which is near to the this man. ये जो man खड़ा है ना, उसकी near यानी जो पास है, जिसके पास पहुंचने में उसको बहुत ही कम टाइम लगेगा. Easily he can reach to the car. That we have to circle it. जो कार नज़दीक है उसको हमें क्रॉस सर्कल करना है, यानी and cross one the far, जो दूर है उसको cross out करना है, right? So here you can see that your first car is, अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे तो आपकी नंबर 1 कार जो है this one, this is your नियरर, ये आपके नज़दीक, ये मैन के नज़दीक है, एंड कार 2 इज़ फार्दर, सो वी हैव टू क्रॉस आउट इट. इज दैट क्लियर? राइट. ओके, नाउ वी विल सो द सेकेंड वन. वी हैव टू चेक द एनिमल. आप देख सकते हो हियर आई आर हैविंग 1 and 2. These are the 2 animals were there, and here 3 is there. Now we have to compare this animals distance according to this tree. Yani we have to take the animals, or we have to check it among this 1 and 2. Which one is the near, and those who are far we have to cross out it. So here you can clearly see that this car is very closer to the tree. वो सबसे ज़्यादा नज़दीक है, nearer है, and this one is the farther from the tree. So we have to circle it and we have to cross out it. Okay, now next one picture. Here we have to see these flowers. According to this flower, here 1 and 2 butterflies were there, right? How many? 2 butterflies were there, and we have to find out that which one is the near and which we have to cross out the butterfly which is farther from that flower. So here students, you can easily see that this one is the nearer to the flower and this butterfly is farther from the flower. So that means this farther one we have to cross out it, and I am circling those who are nearing it, near to the objects. Clear everyone? Okay, then next one students, here we have to find out that check the animal to the near and cross out which is the farther, right? Is it clear? Now students, next one here, the baby is there and a baby having 2 toys. Now we have to see, we have to circle the toy which is nearer to this baby. ये baby के जो नज़दीक nearer जो toy है उसको circle करना है, and cross out the toy which is farther from the baby, right? So you can see this toy is very close to the baby, है ना, ये वाला बहुत ही नज़दीक है, and this toy is farther, so we have to cross out it. Is that clear to everyone? Okay. Now students, in the last picture here, we have to compare this picture, this frame picture which is there, right? We have to find out, we have to circle those who are nearer to this table. ये टेबल के जो नज़दीक है उनको सर्कल करना है, and we have to cross out it those who are farther from that table, right? So you can see this one is very close to the table, near, पास है ना, and this painting is far from the table, वो टेबल से दूर है, so we have to cross out it. So is that clear everyone? Concept of near and far means the from that object's distance should be less and we can easily reach towards that objects which is near, and farther means it takes time to reach over there, or distance should be more, right? Okay, so when we are comparing 2 objects distance, we use nearer and farther, and when we are comparing more than 2 objects, that time we will use nearest and the farthest, right? जब 2 objects को comparing कर रहे हैं तो हम nearer और farther use करेंगे, right? And while we are comparing more than 2 objects, 2 से ज़्यादा objects की हम comparing करेंगे, उस time पे हम nearest and the farthest concept use करेंगे. Is that clear to space? We are revising you. The next topic is your top and the bottom, right? Top means the things which is at the top or highest position, right? And bottom means nearest to the surface or near to the floor, we consider it as a bottom, right? Now we are having exercise regarding top and bottom. Top or bottom की regarding आपके पास exercise है. Your first question is that टिक द मैंगो ऑन द टॉप विच इज़ एट द ऑन द टॉप, यानी आपको इफ़ यू विल सी दिस फिगर इज दिस पिक्चर क्लियरली, यू आर हैविंग 2 मैंगोज, फर्स्ट वन and the second one, and we have to find out among these two which one is on the top. ये दोनों में से कौन सी मैंगो टॉप यानी ऊपर है. You will, if you will observe carefully, this number 2 mango is at the on the floor. वो फ्लोर के ऊपर है, which is nearest to the surface, means which is at the bottom, while the mango which is hanging on the ट्री, जो ट्री के ऊपर है, which is at the top. So that means our answer is this first one mango, right? So it means we have to tick that first mango like this. Can you see, students? Understood everyone? Next question is that tick the book on the bottom. Now students, we have to find out the book which is put on the bottom. You will see we are having this orange one book, right? First one is the orange book, then green one book which is second one, and the last one which is on the floor or at the nearest to the floor which is your third one book, right? So we have to find out that which book is on the bottom, right? So students, as you can clearly see that the third one, blue one, right, this one is at the bottom, so I'm tick on the book. Clear everyone? Okay students, next is tick the person on the top. Tick the person which is on the top. तो आप देख सकते हो this person is at the top, सबसे ऊपर यही है ना, so we have to tick that person. Afterward, tick the kid on the top. दोनों kids है, you can see this one half portion of this kid and the second one. You can clearly see this one is at the top and this one is at the bottom. So your answer is this first one, right? So we have to tick that girl. Clear everyone? Now next question is click, or you can say tick, or you can circle on the animal at the top. Here you can see first one as here which is sitting on the house, and this one is nearest to the tree, the second one animal. We have to tick or we have to put a circle the animal which is at the top. जो top यानी ऊपर है, उस ऐसे animal को हमें tick करना है या फिर circle करना है. So you can clearly see this one is at the top, है ना, ये ऊपर है. This one is nearest to the floor, so that's why I have put a circle on the cat. Is that clear to everyone? Yes or no? Easily you can see this. Second exercise, click or tick on the person or animal at the bottom. यानी bottom यानी जो नीचे है, right? So here if you will observe carefully, अगर ध्यान से देखोगे, so one bird is sitting over here and just a minute, and the girl is standing here near to the floor. Can you see? On the floor, right? So we have to tick or we have to circle the person or the animal which is at the bottom, जो bottom पे है. So you can clearly see, अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे, so this girl is standing, right? So we have to put the circle over here. So this girl is at the bottom. Third question is that the person or animal at the top, we have to tick it or we have to put a circle the person or the animal. Here you can see a boy is near the floor, sliding down, slide के the bottom floor पे है ना, and the parrot is sitting on the top of this flag, ऊपर है ना. So that means who is at the top? Obviously this animal means this bird, right? So we have to put the circle on the parrot as we got parrot at the top. Clear everyone? Compared to this boy. Understood? Now students, here click or tick on the food or drink at the bottom. यानी आपको ऐसे food या फिर drink आप देख सकते हो. Here we are having a drink and here we are having burger means food. Drink या food दोनों में से कौन सी चीज़ बॉटम यानी नीचे है? जो बॉटम नीचे है उसको हमें क्लिक करना है. सो वी हैव टू टिक और वी हैव टू सर्कल इट विच द थिंग्स विच इज़ एट द बॉटम, राइट? सो हियर यू कैन क्लियरली सी दैट ड्रिंक इज एट द if you will see, these are the cupboard. This is the cupboard having this one shelf, two and the three shelves were there, right? In the first shelf here drink put and on the last shelf burger put. right? So that means this drink is at the top of the shelf and this burger is at the bottom of the shelf. So we have to find out the things, drink or the food which is at the bottom. So what we get answer? This burger. So I am putting a circle on the burger. Clear everyone? The last one is tick on the teapot at the top. यानी आपको क्या करना है? Teapot. Can you see a teapot at the top? Here the green one teapot and the pink one teapot. We are having two teapots, and this one is a cupboard. Cupboard having one shelf, two shelves, and three shelves were there. And we can clearly see that this green one pot is put at the top of the shelf, and this one is put at the bottom of the shelf. Now we have to find out as per the question that which teapot is at the top. यानी कौन सा teapot top यानी सबसे ऊपर है. So if you will see clearly this one, right? ये वाला सबसे ऊपर है ना. So here I have put the circle. So here I have mentioned all the answers. Everyone clearly seen this? So students, today in our class, now next topic is we are discuss about the concept of rolling and the sliding. Rolling means the objects or the things which is in a curved surface, which has curved or the round surface, that will be roll, and the things which is having a flat surface, जिसकी surface flat होती है, so that objects will slide. So now rolling and sliding regarding, we are having some exercise for your recapitulation of your chapter number 1. So let's see students. So here students, question is that tick the objects that will roll. Here roll word given, right? So we have to tick the objects which will roll. Means we have to find out the objects which is in a curved surface or with having the round surface. If we are pushing it, it will be rolling. It will move in a round surface only, right? It not moving in a straight way, right? So here you can see so many example: ball, a bone, clock, lock, orange, potato, box, and the carrot. These are the objects. Now among these objects, we have to find out that which objects will roll. Okay, so ready everyone? Tell me which one is the first one which will roll. Sazia, one more time say. Which one first one will roll, beta? Beta, first one is absolutely ball. So we have to tick that ball, right? So as we get answer, ball. So here I am putting a tick mark on the ball. Okay. Now the second one. Tell me beta, which one second object that will roll? Muhammad. Ball already ticked. Which is your orange? As you answer the orange. So yes, second one is the orange. Which one is the third object that will roll? Ball and orange, we already tick it. Which one is the next one? Yes, you are absolutely right. Now is there any objects which is remaining which will roll if we will push it? Is there anyone still remaining? Yes, you are absolutely right. Which one? Carrot. Carrot will be roll also, right? So carrot having, if you will push carrot, it will be roll. So here students, regarding the rolling concept, this question we get answer ball, orange, potato, and a carrot. Understood everyone? Now students, remembering the things which is in a cylinder or a cone shape, जो चीज़ें cylinder या cone shapes में होती है, that will rolling also and the sliding also, right? वो दोनों कर सकते हैं, rolling also and they can sliding also. Now next question is that tick the objects that will slide. Now अब ऐसे objects को tick करना है which will slide. कौन सा होगा? Sliding करेंगे. Clear? So here we are having a gift box, right? Gift box, cucumber, stick, book, hammer, pencil, and the iron. These are the things we are giving, and we have to find out among this that which will slide. इसमें से हमें find out करने हैं कौन कौन से objects slide कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? Okay students, so now अब स्टूडेंट्स इसमें से जो जो ऑब्जेक्ट स्लाइड करेंगे वो सभी के आंसर आपको कमेंट्स बॉक्स में लिख के भेजना है। किसमें? कमेंट्स में, ठीक है। सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, you have to write down your full name, your class section, and then you have to write down it that among these pictures which one will slide, कौन से ऐसे ऑब्जेक्ट्स है जो स्लाइड करेंगे। वन मोर टाइम आई एम शोइंग यू, गिफ्ट बॉक्स, स्टिक, कुकुम्बर, आयरन, पेंसिल, हैमर एंड द बुक। इसमें से कौन कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो स्लाइडिंग करेंगे, तो इसका आंसर आपको कमेंट्स में लिख के भेजना है। सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू राइट डाउन आंसर, ओके, विथ योर नेम। आई विल अप्रिशिएट all those in my next video for your answer, okay. So don't forget to write down